Welcome to another video, and today I have some exciting stuff I want to share. I'm going to talk about Tesla's master plan. Alright? Now this is Elon Musk, his plan that he had in his genius head of his, and these are all the steps he had down. Alright? So, I'll make this video short and sweet. It's about 5.5 steps, and you're going to see what I mean by that. So, step number 1. He's going to build a high price, low volume sports car. That's step number 1. Which is the Roadster. The original one. Not the one that's coming out in the next few years. The one that came out a long ass time ago. Where they use a Lotus car, packed it with their battery packs, their motor, and created their own car, a Tesla Roadster. Right. So step 1 was to build a low volume, high price car to build, to become more liquid, to have become more liquid and be able to invest into future products, which led them to step number 2. Now, step number 2 is build. I got my little notes right here, buddy. So step number 2, build an affordable car. Now this Roadster was in the 6-figure range. Then they came out with the Model S and the Model X. These cars were luxury vehicles. They're in their from the $70,000 to like $90,000 range, which is very expensive, but is much more affordable versus the Roadster. Right. So the Model S and Model X were beautiful vehicles. They got high-end designers to design the car. So these cars took off. They're beautiful. The technology was great. All right. So as these cars became more and more popular, they used the revenue from step 2 to go to step 3, which is build an even more affordable car. You guys can see there's a trend going on. We have a trend. All right. So the more affordable car that they're building is a Model 3. And I'm sure many of us have seen these on the roads already. They're becoming more and more frequent. I come across it. And the Model Y, which I haven't seen one in person, but I've seen plenty of videos, and it looks like a beautiful car. Alright? So these cars, as these cars are selling more and more. I think they sold close to 100,000 units in total this past quarter. Very close. And this is a coronavirus quarter where their factory in California was shut down for a couple weeks. Now this takes me to step, I don't want to say step 4, but step 3.5, 3.2, which is basically create zero emissions for homeowners and companies. So Tesla bought out a company called Solar City. A lot of controversy. Solar City belonged to his cousin. When the company was going through some tough times, Tesla bought it. So, whatever. But it's becoming a beautiful revenue source for Tesla. So Tesla has basically got the Tesla batteries. They stick it on a wall of a house or a company. They call them power walls. So these power walls are basically giant batteries screwed to the side of your house. And through the use of solar power, solar panels, you charge these batteries during the day. At night, the batteries power your house. During the day, the solar panels power your house. There's also an ingenious technology built in through the software where during the day, the batteries are charging. And then during peak hours, when the utility raises the price, right? So utility companies that have peak and non-peak hours were the different prices. You could sell back at peak hours and obtain on non-peak hours. So it becomes a revenue source for homeowners. I'm not sure how much money they make, but those of them who have the Powerwall, their utility bill, it's zero. And most of the time they're getting paid by utility companies. So a genius product, a product that pays for itself over time. and the cross is basically batteries and solar panel. So that's step 3.5, guys. 3.5, right? It's not a true step in the master plan, but they kind of deviated a little bit to accommodate his family member. But hey, they got it in line with Tesla's master plan, which is create a zero-emission world, an eco-friendly world. Now, let's go back to the Tesla step 4. Now, step 4 is to expand electric vehicles into all major segments. So these major segments are going to include semi-trucks, trucks, a speedster, and you guys know what truck I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Cybertruck, a little polygon that looks like a damn Pokemon on wheels, but never seen anything like it, and I sure do want to buy one. So let's see, guys. Let's see. The Roadster is not gonna be the same as before. This is gonna be a supercar. This car, I believe, is like $200,000, and this 0 to 60 in less than 2 seconds, which is unheard of. They even want to put compressed air rocket cannons on the back of the vehicle, and that's gonna like break records, man. It's basically the space, or you guys know, I'm sure most of you may know, but Elon Musk is the founder of SpaceX. They're getting this technology of rocket boosters, and they're sticking it into a car. And it's gonna be the Tesla Roadster SpaceX package, right? Pretty insane. So step 4 again, expand electric vehicles to all major segments. And here's exciting news, guys. We're not even inside step 4 yet. Step 4 is coming in the next few years, which is very exciting. We're currently in step 3. Step 4, if the Tesla stock is at 1,300 today, imagine once these vehicles come to market, where do you put that stock at? I'm telling you, if you haven't watched my last video, I explained Tesla's gonna be $1 trillion company. Right now they're 2.5 billion, so they're gonna be 4x pretty in the next few years. That's my prediction. Okay. Now this leads me to step 5. Step 5, something you could only imagine in movies, right? So step 5 is gonna be, picture you this, guys. I want you to picture this. You wake up early in the morning. You get ready for school. You get ready for work. Get in your car. You go to your destination. Park your car. Get out of your car. Take out your smartphone, whether it be an Apple, an Android, possibly maybe even BlackBerry. Really doubt it. Really doubt it. So you pull out your smartphone and press the little button. The car's gonna back up by itself and head out of the parking lot. You go do your thing, you go study, you work, whatever you have to do. You come back out a few hours later, you go open up the app, you tell your car to come back, your car comes to pick you up, get in your car, you go home. Now, what was that car doing all that time you were working? Your car was working for you. Your car was out there being a taxi, or an Uber, or an Lyft, picking up individuals, taking them to their destination, charging them, going on picking up the next individual, taking them to their destination, charging them, picking up the next individual, taking them to their destination, charging them. So your car was working for you. So imagine buying a car. Every day you send your car off to work, right? Your car is making you money. And this car will basically pay for itself. It becomes an asset. Now, 100% of all vehicles, no matter what vehicle you're talking about, are liabilities. Right? Let's say 99.99%, okay? So you got that 0.1% of classic cars that actually increase in value over time, as long as they're well maintained. But 99.99% of vehicles are liabilities, and these vehicles go down in value. Your Tesla, when we get to step 5, when it becomes a taxi, aka what they're calling it on the internet is robo-taxi, it's gonna make you money, man. Do a quick recap, guys. Elon Musk master plan. Step 1, build a sports car. Step 2, use that money and build a more affordable car. Model S, Model X. Step 3, use that money, build an even more affordable car. Model 3, Model Y, 3.5, solar panels. Okay. It has its place. Alright, it has its place. Step 4, expand to all major segments. Semi-trucks, trucks, sports cars. Or should I say supercars. And step 5, robo-taxi. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, if you want to have a conversation, leave a comment down below. And until next time, take care.